that was a Jeep.
We were. That shit was. That shit, yo, we were on the edge. Yo, we were on the edge. We were like this. We were 50. We were like 20 pounds from falling off.
I was on it, and so I just backflipped.
Y'all would have said, we're dead.
Yeah, we would have been the first fatalities.
I got hit for 3 seconds.
It's like a matter of like you're tipping there and you gotta just like.
Oh, they're coming down. They're coming down now. Yo, we wish that rate limit. We were at the place you couldn't. Yo, Ada was like this, and she could have like fell off the thing. I was like, holy. Don't fall off there! Don't fall off there! Don't save him! Save him! Don't let him fall off there! You'll break his neck. Save him! Where's your hat? Where's your hat? Right there! Right there! Save him.